Hey, good evening guys. So today on Lee's Life, what we're gonna do is make some deer hamburgers. So we just killed a deer the other day. We've got it all skinned. All we gotta do now is put it on the table, debone it all, mix it with the meat and grind it up, do a double grind to make hamburger meat. So I'll show you a little bit of that, and we don't take too long showing you step by step, just kind of what we're doing this afternoon. So this is the first step in the process. Get your deer meat quartered out. We got hind quarters right here, and a lot of people can roll roast and stuff out of this, but we're not gonna do that. All we're gonna do is cut all the big pieces off, trim off the silver skin and some fat, throw it in the bucket here, and then we'll go to the next piece and the next piece. That's step one. All right, so we're working on our last piece of deer meat. What we got now is pork butts. So we're taking 2 pork butts, deboning them, cutting the fat cap off, and we're cutting them in little bite-sized hunks. Then we got 2 big chuck roasts right here, and we'll cut the chuck roast up too, and we're gonna throw that with the pork. So we'll grind one, then we'll grind the other, and then we'll mix it all together, and then we'll grind it one more time after that. So stay tuned. All right, we got our deer meat here ready to go, ready to grind up. Put it right here in this big hole right here, push it down. It's gonna come out this hole in a big coarse blade here, and then we're gonna let it drop into here. And this is all pork and beef. So it's chuck roast, like a prime chuck, 2 prime chuck roasts, and like I said, the pork butts cut up. So this, we're gonna flip this bad boy on. And now we're getting it. Yep, so check it out.
Now this is a big hole, so what it's gonna do, it's gonna do a rough grind. And then when we get through with this rough grind, we're gonna mix all our meat together. And this is gonna fall right down this little thing right here, fall into that tray right there. This is our pork butts right here. So we grind it up, man, I'm gonna tell you, as fast as you drop this whole thing in this old grinder, main thing is don't put your fingers in the grinder or they will come out this end right here. So
we'll holler back in a minute when we get it all ground up. All right, so that's all the ground up deer on the first grind. Now we got the pork and the beef right here. Throwing it in the hole right there, and it's coming out right there. So now we're gonna grind all that up and mix all this together, and then we're gonna run it through again. The most important step of the whole thing. So we're taking our pork and our beef and our deer, and we're mixing it all together, trying to get 50-50 mix. So we're just gonna sit here and just keep doing this until it looks like it's all incorporated together and about exactly the same as everything else. After we do that, we're gonna throw it back in there after we change this blade on here. And we're gonna grind it up one more time, and it's gonna look just like hamburger meat when it comes out. All right, so this is the last phase. We got the smaller blade on there. Keep calling it a blade, it's like an extruder or smaller holes, whatever. So we got just putting the meat back in here. It's all mixed up, and it's coming out just like hamburger meat. So that's what we got going on right there. So we'll have about 60 or 70 pounds when we're done, and I'll take you to the next step of the process in a minute.
okay, here's the final product. We got 57 pounds of ground hamburger meat, and we're stuffing it in these little bags right here. That's probably what, Lee? Probably a pound?
About a pound.
About a pound.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in them Ziploc bags. We're gonna lay them flat like that, put them in the freezer. Okay, people, what we're doing now, we're stuffing these things in these little Ziploc bags. I got one stuffer. I got one person flattening it out. And when he flattens it out, he hands it down there to old Bumpy Frog. Bumpy Frog takes it. I got this little thing sitting catty corner like this, and we put them in here and get them flat. And then we're gonna take this whole tote and put it in the freezer and freeze them. So when you get it out of the freezer, it'll be just a flat little piece of 1 pound, maybe 1.5 pounds. We didn't weigh them, but that's what you'll do. We just get them straight out of the freezer, just like this.
All right, guys, and that is the finished product. So we had 52 bags. We have a couple down here to match these other bags we have down here. So that was our first deer, and this is our second deer. So this is why we do it. So I got 52 bags of meat. We can make hamburgers, spaghetti, meatballs, all the stuff. So just like hamburger meat. So that's why we hunt, guys, so we can fill up the fridge and not have to worry about buying hamburger meat in the store, because I know where this deer was killed, I know where it was processed, and I know nobody took any shortcuts, and we did it the right way. So don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. So for all my TikTok followers, y'all click the little thingies on the side. I don't know where they're at. Just click them, follow, like, share, subscribe. All right, y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.